Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay ng YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebak-lebak na tang with evidence. Naku po mga kabibig, eto na. Isang Amerikanong lawyer, sinampal si Risa Hontiveros. At sabi pa ng Amerikanong lawyer na ito, kasama pala ang Amerika. The America spent a lot of money dahil para lang sa kaso ni Kibuloy. At sinabi pa sa lawyer na ito na hindi naman magmo-move ang kaso kung walang bendisyon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Nako, panoorin ninyo ang videong ito at kayo na ang bahalang humusga sa kung ano nang sinasabi ng lawyer na ito. Meron bang punto ang lawyer na ito para sampalin ng dobleng kahihiyan itong si Risa Hontiveros. Let's all watch this video mga kabig. As in, I was so shocked sa kanyang pasabog. In-interview, ito ang lawyer na ito. Tapos meron siyang sinasabi talaga sa kung paano at kung bakit ito nangyari ngayon ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Okay? Let's
back to us.
Yeah. Tingnan natin ha. Gusto ko kayong mag-intindi sa sinasabi ng lawyer na ito. Okay, begin.
And the first question I'd like to ask is, what is the status of the case filed against your client?
Oh, so tinanong ni Sal Panelo kung ano ang status ng kaso ni Kibuloy sa Amerika. Yan ha, kasi maraming naghakahaka, maraming mga istorya na confirm na convicted na si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. So, ngayon, masasagot yan at baka masampal tayo sa katotohanan, di ba? Go.
You're talking about the one that in Los Angeles, California.
Yes.
That was just continued until May. And maybe a little bit more information for you, counsel, because I know your reputation as an attorney. The thing that's interesting about that, which kind of plays into what's happening in your country and the SWAT team that appeared recently with 200 officers, that case was charged in 2021, the superseding indictment. They charged the pastor with, among other things, with sex trafficking. To this day, they've never attempted to have him arrested.
Oh, so puro kaso lang pala na until now, hindi pa rin naaresto si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy doon sa labas ng bansa natin, sa California pa ito? Oo, ito.
When you talk about the worst thing you can say about a man of the cloth, whether it's a minister, a pastor, to accuse them of doing the things he's been accused of in the Philippines and in Hawaii, in California, the California FBI has not even attempted to arrest him.
Oh, ang California NBI not attempted. Walang pakialam o walang interesado. Hindi interesado ang California NBI na arestuhin si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Bakit ang social media natin is puro na si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy convicted na totoo talaga mga paratang. O ito nga California NBI walang pakialam, hindi interesado na attempt na anong tawag dito, ipakulong si Pastor or huliin si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
So if he was such a danger and they believed what they were told by some of the dissidents, they wouldn't let 4 years go by. That case was just continued until May.
So yun pala mga kabibig. Parang ikot-ikot ang mga kaso ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Ito yung komento ha. Ito yung komento ng lawyer. Ito ba? I think this is the lawyer of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Pasahin ko ha. Nasaan ba ito? Ito ay ang QOJC's General Counsel, Attorney Michael J. Green. He also stressed out that the accusations of Hontiveros were grossly misplaced allegations. Hala? Sabi dito, and the investigation that was done by Risa Hontiveros, I read her resolution and frankly, I thought I was in a third world country. I never saw anyone with the responsibility of a representative, someone that the people elect and they trust to write that kind of resolution I read. I was almost speechless. That's why I felt compelled as General Counsel to write Senator Zubiri about what the Senator has done, and I sent her a copy of this, of course. So, sinampal. Kasi sabi ni Attorney Michael J. Green na ito ba ang klaseng politiko na nailik ng mga tao? Anong klaseng resolusyon ang kanyang hinain? Talagang, I thought I was in a third world country, sabi pa niya. The horrible effect of what she did, and I had a copy of her resolution that caused me to have this chilling effect on me as general counsel to write her Senate president what she basically said that the pastor had committed the crimes. Grabe ha? Sinabi dito the pastor had committed the crimes. Hindi pa nga convicted, committed na. That he was already guilty of the crimes. Ito ang sinulat ni Hontiveros sa kanyang resolution. Hindi pa nga naano sa Supreme Court tapos si Risa Hontiveros na ang nagbigay ng kanyang verdict. She says, considering that the crimes were committed within the jurisdiction of the Philippines, her resolution, frankly, was a very chilling effect on all lawyers and should be a very chilling effect on everyone in your legislature in the Philippines. That lady senator you're referring to earlier is notoriously known in this country to subject persons they investigated, sabi ito ni Panelo ha, in her committee and besmirch their reputation and try them by publicity. The reason obviously is not in aid of legislation but for publicity to make her politically relevant. Itong sabi ni Panelo ha, ito ang sabi ni Panelo na itong si Risa Hontiveros, notorious ito na talagang isa-subject ang isang tao para paimbestigahan ng kayang committee tapos sisirain ang reputasyon and i-trial siya by publicity. So it's not obviously for in aid of legislation pero for publicity para daw maging politically relevant itong si Risa Hontiveros. So yan ang usapan ni na Attorney Green at ni Sal Panelo kung saan para sa Attorney Green, ano ba itong klaseng resolution na ito? Kaya sumulat siya kay Zubiri. Kasi sabi ni Attorney Green, bakit ganitong klase ang kanyang sinasabi na committed, guilty na si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy? Well, in fact, gumugulong pa ang kaso. 'Di ba? Marami na nga, remember, sinugod ang KOJC. Tapos, magkaroon pa ng kasuhan ang KOJC laban sa mga pulis. Di ba mga kabibig? So talagang sabi dito na parang iba yung pagtrato nila kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. At ito kasi si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, parang ito yung pinakaulo according to them na kailangan nilang sirain. Once masira ang pangalan ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, masisira na daw ang mga Duterte. Mawala na daw ng tawag dito, yung magiging pagtaguyod ng mga Duterte. Naku, ewan ko. O ito ha, nagsalitang taga-Amerika ha, attorney ng taga-Amerika, KOJC Legal Counsel. At talagang, if we're talking about legal counsel, pinag-aaralan nila ito. Hindi naman magsasabi ng kung ano-ano lang in behalf of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Natural, pinag-aaralan nila, tiningnan nila, kaya nga nagsumulat itong si Attorney Green kay noon Senate President pa si Zubiri. At talagang question niya ang laman ng resolusyon ni Risa Hontiveros. Talagang committed, ha? Grabe, Ito ang nabasa ko, Ito sabi ni Attorney Green, was she basically said that the pastor had committed the crimes, but he was already guilty of the crime. She says, considering that the crimes were committed with the jurisdiction of the Philippines. Yun na mga kabibig. So, ano ang palagay nyo? Ano ang inyong kuro-kuro opinion tungkol sa pinalabas ang pagsupalpal ni Attorney Green kay Risa Hontiveros? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.